Hello traders, welcome to Price Action Real Traders. Today I'm going to show you how to trade with candlestick analysis. Today is another new video on how to trade with candlestick analysis. So before we start, the risk warning: your capital might be at risk. Don't trade with money that you cannot afford to lose, and this video is not an investment advice. So please subscribe my channel, comment and share for more videos. So here you can see we are in strong bearish momentum. So this is the next level here. You can see Bollinger breakout. Market may reach this level. Yes, market may reach this level. So maybe on the next candle I will place my trade put option, because I know is the retracement. So I know definitely market will reach this level before reverse. Yes. So this candle is trying to touch the level. It is too fast. So if market go little bit higher, I can place my trade because we are in the level now. I know definitely the candle must be red. So I'm waiting for market to go a bit higher. So now the time has finished. So I know this candle must be red candle. So this candle I will wait because of 3 black crown. Market may retrace. So let me see. Let me draw my Fibonacci from here to here, or from here to here, to see where market is supposed to reverse. I think market will reach this level, even though I can see, yes, this is a fake breakout. This fake breakout of this 161.8 level. If I get lower entry point, I'll place my trade. Low. I will just place my trades because I can see this is the fake breakout of 161.8 Fibonacci level, and you can see here this is engulfing candle here, and this is bullish inverted bullish hammer, and 200 is flat, and this is the Fibonacci level. You see, close in the money, but no problem. This is the Fibonacci level, and this is the flat 200 EMA. Sorry, but the trend is bit downtrend, and market is trying to change trend on higher time frame, because you see this 20 MA is trying to cross this 200 EMA. So this is 2-bar retracement candle. Market is not reversing at this level, so that's why it's good to get good entry point. You see this candle is very weak, so if I didn't wait for good entry point, I would have lost this trade. So here market is trying to consolidate this 2-bar retracement candle, but this candle is not telling anything. I will wait for the next candle, but it's rejecting from 2 deviation, and we are far away from 2 deviation. Market is trying to reverse from this area, because you see market hold here. You see market hold at this level, so market is trying to repeat the same pattern at this level. This market is trying to hold at this level. I will place my trade put option, because I know this candle must be red because of this level, red green. You see here market hold, so market will hold at least for 3 to 4 candles at this level. That's why I place my trade put option. I know definitely this candle must be red candle, even though market is doing some panic, so I know it will be red candle. So let's see, let's wait and see. We have 20 seconds, we have 15 seconds now. This candle must be red candle. Maybe on the expiration time it will close below my entry point. You see this candle is red candle, so I know definitely this candle must be red candle. So that's why I place my trade put option at this level. So let's analyze, or let's analyze the same here and see. Because market is holding here, we can do our trade and finish here. So you see the next candle is green, so market is reversing. Market is reversing here. You can see market is trying to reverse. But it's not reversing. I will place put option, because I know definitely sellers must enter, because I told you this level hold the market. Market must be range at least for some candles. So this candle must be red candle. That's why I place my trade put option immediately. So let's see, we have much time. So you see market is trying, sellers trying to enter. We have 19 seconds. You see sellers entry. You see, I know definitely sellers must enter at this level. This candle must be red. You see, this is strong red candle. So anytime what you will observe before you take trade, watch the market very well. If you are on the ranging area, you see here market green, green, red, green, red, red, green, green, sorry, green, red, so red, green, red. So if you see market is behaving in the left side of the pattern, so try to identify the area. Here you can see market must hold and it will repeat at least the same pattern. So that's why I know definitely market will repeat. So I took my trade, 3 trades here at this level and finish my trading, because I know here I can finish my trade, because if you see this pattern at the left side, then it will repeat the same pattern at the right side. So that's what you're supposed to be observing all the time if you are trading. So you see my past trade here, my first trade here, you see I place call option, so but I get good entry points, so that's why my trade got in the money. And anytime try to get good entry points. And here you can see I place put option, because I know definitely this candle must be green, so sorry, must be red, so that's why I place my trade put option and the candle is red, you can see. Then here I place put option again, because I know this market must hold at this level, and this candle is weak green candle and rejected from 200 EMA. That's why I place my trade put option. So you see it's in the money. So anytime this way that you will analyze the market. So this is the end of this video. Please, if you didn't subscribe my channel, subscribe. If you like my videos, please like it, comment and share for more educational video. If you have any question or suggestion, I'm ready to help you. I will say thank you. Bye bye.